Mudenda blames opposition for sanctions on Zimbabwe. Harare, the 12th of September 2025. Speaker of the National Assembly Jacob Mudenda has sparked controversy after bluntly accusing opposition legislators of being responsible for the economic sanctions imposed on Zimbabwe. The remarks came during a heated question-and-answer session in Parliament when CCC MP Shakespeare Hamoswa sought the Speaker's protection, arguing that opposition members were unfairly blamed whenever they raised questions about the welfare of citizens. Whenever we passionately ask questions which are aimed at advancing the lives of Zimbabweans, we are met with insinuations that we are the owners of sanctions, which is not fair, Hamoswa protested. In response, Mudenda openly sided with Justice Minister ZVAITWA, who had earlier suggested the opposition bore responsibility for the economic decline. The element of sanctions is very genuine. If you recall the earlier leaders of the opposition, then MDC, they actually went to America to ask for those sanctions. Please recall, if you do not know your history, can you research on it? Mudenda told the House. Sanctions have long been a flashpoint in Zimbabwean politics, with ZANU-PF framing them as the root cause of economic collapse. While critics argue corruption, mismanagement, and policy failures are to blame, Zimbabwe has endured years of economic hardship, marked by industrial decline, hyperinflation, and mass unemployment. Government estimates claim the country has lost millions in potential funding due to restrictive measures imposed by the US, UK, and EU. The opposition maintains that sanctions target specific individuals and entities accused of corruption and human rights abuses, not the wider population. Political observers say Mudenda's comments reinforce the ruling party's narrative, but risk further polarizing Parliament, where the opposition has repeatedly called for accountability and reforms.